The 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is a pickup truck powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine with an automatic transmission. This pickup truck gets up to 14 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features cruise control, power steering, and towing package. Safety features include traction control, ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, heated power mirrors, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at David Stanley Chevrolet of Norman, a Carfax Advantage dealer.